like this. Remember, tangerine is good for the immune system. This is very good for your immune system. Very, very good. Yeah. That's for you. That's for me. That's for Lou. And that's for John. That's for Mary. That is for Jane. That's for Dopey. Come to the enemy. That's the enemy. The enemy on that guardian. I'll be breaking one. Bridging that. Another from my friend. This one for your friend. Come from your stuff. I was still back there. Alright, so I check in right now. Get some stuff in my supermarket. I don't know.
Yeah, peeps today I know I go get the veggie chunks. So we know peeps sell surf, you know what you go. So I look to the veggie chunks, you know which part they are frying it, you know what you go.
But you want a baked bean, you know?
Oh, stop a baked bean food.
I work with the most reasonable one. I think, which one them?
405.
405.
Regular one was dear.
No, you know, so I like the last one. Last one I have none. Yeah. Maybe we can take twice small one them. Because they don't have a big one. See there?
Wait.
See that one? Small one. I have to take you take two of them.
A broad bean this month.
No, see it there.
Oh, small one.
Alright, so twice of them make one. Measure it up there, you see.
One this month,
one that make
Yeah, what is the last one? So the big one or the smaller one?
The smaller one, how much is the smaller one? How much?
270.
Alright. What else you have, boy? Oh, get a pack of fork. Get a pack of fork. It's little. Oh God. I'll be over there, I'll be there. I'll be over there, I'll be killing me sick. Yeah, I thought him there.
Oh, see them.
Pack of fork. That is it. Check in on the coconut, them, big and small.
Everywhere you go, you sleep.
Boy, you go to sleep.
Watch it, watch it.
One more time again, you know? That'll be one more time. Alright, so I get that coconut here, broke you now, okay, you don't know, say, that coconut we have to use to cook the rice, because I make the rice tonight. So like one big guy in there. Go over here, so bro. A little bit of water. I'm big guy in there, no? A little bit of water. What me tell you, say? What me tell you, say? What me tell you, say? I'm big guy in there. What me tell you, say? I'm big guy in there. Yes, guy. Coconut guy, sweet.
Yeah, they'll be eat out the coconut eye.
You can't see bread now, too. Get the coconut broke up. Alright, so I try use the spoon. Try use the spoon for the first time. Spoon can work, you know. See that? Spoon can work, man. Believe. See? Spoon can work. A chicken we a jerk, yes. Work, we a work and a chicken a jerk. See? Spoon a work. Wash them water now. Get them wash off. This rather fast.
You know the thing we wash the coconut and them wash off. You know the thing broadly. As the way was broadly done. No, I'll get it from the grater, you know. Wash off my grater. Make it grater, you know. That's how I get the coconut up and running.
Coconut I go grate up here now. Yeah man. Outside. Hopefully again with it. Yeah man. Now I tell you exactly where. Out there now hopefully chop up a pot. Yeah. You know the coconut always make your pot nice, you know, so if you cook soup, if you cook white rice, any form of rice, use coconut.
You know the thing,
yeah man. For even the powder, but this is what we recommend. Real deal. Yeah, this is the real deal. That's how we are cooked today, chef.
You know, say, veggie chunks with baked bean. You know, you think of the white rice with coconut juice. You know, you think of.
Run them good there. We have 3 lovely tangerine today. This we are using to make the juice today. Yeah man. Some tangerine juice I do it today. Fresh off the tree. Shava.
You know me always keep the fire burning. But you know me a judge.
Ever keep the fire blazing, you know? Alright, Shaba go load up the coal. And then you get it light up and the coal look fresh though. All of them pretty though. Bright and pretty. Yeah, out again. What we are going to put on pan here now. Alright, so we're going to get the seasoning prepared. Tomato them, scallion, rather first line up everything, get everything ready to go. Shabba this up, look clean up, get rid of some of my trash them. I don't know. Get the scallion clean up. Get in the water.
DJ Dalby, you know the thing, so you know them can purchase. So I make an order.
Yeah, for your calabash, pound on a calabash and go
Best thing they're eating, you hear that?
Yeah. That is it.
1 scallion. Two scallion. One tomato. Two tomato.
Wow, now somebody else at here just put the trash in the fire. What did I chat you? One carrot you fire, 1 carrot round the ball. Hot pepper.
I left my ginger enough, so I can't go and talk. I left my ginger. That is it. Whoa.
Ginger.
You remember this? Over scallion on a time. You know how much smart.
Scallion time.
Getting some gears, we can't let them thing, you know. Them thing are natural nature.
Yeah.
Yeah, look good here. You know, we're getting some too. Feel like I'm getting piece more. You know, I go.
That is it.
Right. So I get them cut up right now. Scallion.
Scallion are cut up here now. I color wash dish. Yeah. Do remember, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you don't like the video yet, please like the video. You may talk to right this, you know, so you don't like the video yet, you don't like the video. No, please don't talk. Alright. So, scallion.
Yeah.
Oh, scallion guy, time.
Time cut up now.
Ginger.
Cut up ginger. Because I have used ginger in my car. Everybody wants ginger.
Ginger God. Ginger.
It's a garlic. When color was a spin, I thought this way to spin.
Pepper. Why not green pepper?
You have to put all in here?
Yeah, man. Put all in, man, because, you know, because they're not sweet.
No, it's onion.
What do you add? The pepper they just add. Onion. Yeah. Local onion. Yeah. Get in on local onion, you know?
Tomato.
Another. Banga. That's how it's going. Carrot.
You want to stick there, they have what you stick in. Turn it to the way. No, I couldn't. You don't feel like that.
Alright, so we are get the coconut juice out here now. Yeah, first you don't know, get off a little remains of vibrator. Yeah. Squeeze it out. Coconut milk rich. Coconut milk are going up water now. So we are juice up a second time, you know. Yeah, man. Active up because 3 pound of rice we are cooked to, you know, right? Rather for us. Yeah, man. I don't know. Shabba him around there, so. 2 comedians, them, you know. Viewers and subscribers, if you don't like the video, as yet, please like up the video, please, and thanks. If you're not yet subscribed, please do the right thing and subscribe.
Check out my official YouTube channel. Radar Press Official.
Radar Press Official, that is it.
Alright. Get in some more coconut juice in the pot. I know say it get hot.
That is it for now.
Shaba, go season up the pot.
If you put a little curry in it, said you don't know it's a curry rice, you know. That rice was nice last week. This week only mine is nicer. So, same curry rice again. Alright, so at this moment, I season up the rice pot. Just get in a little scallion. I don't know loaded procedure already. Loaded procedure, you know? So you have to get the scallion clean up. Quick and fast. Remember, see, I'm easy quick and fast. But with care. Prep up with scallion properly. Naturally. No, yes, it's scallion, you know? Alright. Look like I'll eat this. Alright. What else we have to go in there? Garlic. Get in garlic in my this side garlic. For me, normally use like 3 peg of garlic I normally use. 3 peg of garlic, cause I do even number in a pot and I do remember say garlic run duppy, so no duppy can come on this pot. You know I go. And add pepper or green pepper may I put in there too today. So whole heap of duppy I get run today. No go on. That size are good. And like all rather like ginger, so may I get in a piece of ginger. Yeah. Clean up the ginger. It's only a piece of ginger this. What may I left out here now? Time. I keep out some of my time out of that. I keep out some of my time out of the meat pot. See, these are everything. So, in our pot we are going now. What you want to story? What you want to story to it? I don't know, curry. But we know curry. That's style that you know. Alright, so I get in. Alright, first garlic. 3 peg of garlic that. Scallion. Mix up with the thyme. Put in the rest of a little piece. Scallion and thyme that go in. Little piece of ginger. Put that in there. And the hot pepper. But I don't want the pepper bust in my pot, so I just kind of bust one little way, squeeze it. Yeah, so I do it. And then I get it in my pot. So stay tuned. Remember to like up the video. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Alright. But nice up so far. I'm getting a little salt in the pot now. Getting some salt in the pot. Salt. Stir it. This is what I was fast. Really. 3 pound of rice is look like 4 pound now. You still a shop about it. Rice I look dirty. Shop, you sure see a 3 pound? 3 pound rice pan, 3 pound look enough though. Me see it man, but
People will trick it wrong, weight wrong.
I put down the wrong thing for it. Anyways. Rice you look like it have some picking out to do, you know. Pick out some rice.
Yeah, man, they'll get the rice clean up and thing. They'll get in some water, not the rice. Wash it, you know.
Wash rice, still rice clean. Wash rice, still wash. Wash rice, still rice clean.
You hear that, people?
See, someone sitting there, them come up on it. Rice is dirty still, you know.
But
Rice is really dirty.
you know, some of them get about 3 wash down.
This I go up on the third washing this, you know. Third and final. The thing not get washed out, you don't know, say. From it boil out, germs gone out of here. 1 kilo make you stronger, alright? Sure, boy, you know, I like what you say what you know. Talking now.
That's for you. That's for me. That's for Lou. And that's for John. That's for Mary. That is for Glenn. That's for Dopey. Come to me, enemy.
That's the enemy. Enemy on that guardian.
I'll be breaking one.
Bridging that.
Another from my friend.
This one for your friend.
Some for waste stuff. I was still back there, back that. This is your family, everybody.
Have your family, everybody. It's a brother.
Yeah.
It's a brother.
Yeah.
It's a fish it up.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
That one there is skinny.
Otherwise known as
That's a big Antoine.
yeah, Antoine Cosway. I'm supposed to kill it because we know I'm calling.
Alright.
If you want to,
This is going to chop in our pot.
yeah, that's a feedback, but
This is a big pot, whatever.
oh, only one home. Remember you just come and change about a minute ago, and I come from the riverside already.
Story in it. Stay tuned, my viewers and subscribers. That is.
You know, I'm a big story, but you don't know some good. Come in, Radha. Drink off the people. Put it over that.
Rice is steamed down. No. Put plastic over it already. See? That go on steam out. Current situation. Our situation. Rather for us check the pot, you know.
Watch out one of peeps, let's check what going for the rice. I look like you're ready. Steady. Whoa. People watch it. Look at that. You can smell the coconut juice and I blending and taking my nose away. Okay, get ready till you can take off.
Yeah man, you can take off, trust me.
Watch what I go on for.
Alright, so official check. Get the official check.
I'll check what I go on. Yeah man, it's ready man. I'll take off. Shelly and ready. Yeah. Whoa. People, ready people. Get it off of the fire and get on the chunks.
Yeah man, you ready man, shower? I'll take it off now.
Real old Jamaican style, hand towel. Like Asaba towel.
That is it, so I get on it. Yeah, we have to line up back in fire. Come in fire, man, Shabba.
Fire, man.
Don't know a guard you have to again. Ever keep the fire blazing.
Straighten up the fire.
Yeah, that is the fire, man.
I'm going to walk up and down,
the
so.
fire blazing.
I'm going to walk up and down, so.
Guard, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, ever keep the fire blazing like guarding.
Get in some more coal.
Real fireman that you know. Catch him in the right and I'm going to wait the fire blaze up again to put on the thing.
You can take off all the things.
Fireman, I roll.
Hold them fireman.
I was like, you take off.
I'm like you keep it dancer.
You keep it on me.
I am going to keep it on.
You am bad on the side. I am balloon, you am bad on the side.
Shabba say, fire and balloon can't bother that style. I want that roll we have sent Shabba, you know, and that tree DJ, you know. Now keep the fire blazing. I don't know.
Get on the chunks for the fire now, brawling, you know. And that's how we say brawling, man.
Brawling.
That's a going. So
yeah, we're getting the chunks in the pot and everything go. We're not stop. Now it's hot.
chunks are going up what?
People, let's see all these chunks here. You see frying on them, you mix the frying on them like cornflakes. Now Lasco and milk. What?
Yeah.
Believe me, you can try you.
Alright. I'll show you one idea.
Alright, what's another peeps? Yeah man, the chunk that are ready and okay, you know, things so we are going to fry it in the oven in the man. So you know, so we are going to take it out. I don't want to go soft. No. Bruh. I'm going to swim that. Alright, guys.
I don't lie. Straight up to our water. Take your time.
The pot for the fire. Keep it blazing here. Aye, already. Already my people.
Wait fast before you get lost. Get in oil. Oil that I go back in the pot. Alright, so I get in a seasoning, you know.
Yeah, peeps, I get in the seasoning now, but
Come put in the seasoning quick. Got that thing.
Siguro sir, nalas na lang. Doon.
All-purpose seasoning.
So I get in the chunks in now, you know, and go on. Pesticide. Alright?
Try chunks from a bit. Very nice. Browning.
Incredible color.
No, brown stew, yes, sir. Good. Stay tuned, viewers and subs. Getting baby in them. Next one. Last cup. 18.
Alright, bring banana it out.
Get peanut. Stir it down. Eat a stir up down.
Get the water night.
Oh, water.
Yeah, make it we got some gravy.
Mm.
You know if you have gravy eat the rice.
Yeah.
Yeah, people swag on people.
Great rather frost in the kitchen today, you know, you don't know. Yeah, take some lessons. First time I go try this, yeah. Yeah. So we are do it, you know. Yeah, man.
Watching on a piece, I get you some ketchup. Eat the body. Like make gravy, you know. I get you in the ketchup in the pot.
Ketchup are going.
You add some water in the pot because make gravy. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you want a little more water?
Yeah, you want some water. You know what you go? You add some water. Add some water in the pot, you know? I'm going on people. Yeah, I eat that.
Simmer down, you know.
salt maybe a little bit spice. It's good enough.
Salt.
Make a look at taste first. People. I want to taste it, people. Come take a taste.
Viewers and subscribers, I'm about to make some tangerine juice. This is how you do it. Yeah. Lot of juice. Like tangerine, yeah? Squeeze it out in the water. Next one here. Go like this. Remember, tangerine is good for the immune system. This is very good for your immune system. Very, very good. Yeah. Hey, one day I'm going to town, you know. I'm selling at the traffic. Now the traffic right on crossroad there, so a Captain Bakery. That's in a COVID time. And I say tangerine over here, so and nobody not to come in. You see. As soon as I start say, I dey country and I never sick yet, and I always eat tangerine. Tangerine good for immune system. I want the people are coming from me and say good for immune system. Me eat this never sick yet. People are coming, you fret rather. Yeah man, tangerine juice. Look what go on in there. Yeah. Mix it up there now. Stir it up there now. It's a nice tangerine juice. Yeah. See it? Pretty though. Remember, if you don't like the video yet, like the video. Big up my viewers and subscribers every time. You might go naturally outside. Tangerine juice. This just want a few ice in it, cool it down. These are one taste. Fresh. Let's see me put more sugar. Don't want it too sweet either. Yeah. Shabba say if fresh him can add more sugar. If brother say fresh him can add more sugar to feel more. Right now, this is how I go on. This is it, my viewers and subscribers. So I show them here, you know. You don't know what them can get them here. And if you go to eat tangerine, you know. Good. That's it. Stay tuned.
That's what I want for the vegetables and baby mix. So this kind of ready, you know.
Is it ready, you know?
Take off. Yeah, I know it's like up my G. Yeah man, because we got this can take off now. This is ready.
This ready now? Alright, so.
Ready.
Yeah, I get it up by fire, you know. Start shear, you know.
Hot like fire.
It's a patat like fire. Look good. Ready for going to belly, you know. Yes, sir.
Get in the food and everything.
food I share out here now. Curry rice we go today again.
Put that juice.
Rice chili.
You know what thing of peeps? You get thing up and running.
That is it.
Shabba said bean plate and the smallest plate. Now wait. Alright, we're getting the gravy now in the food right now, so the first one. Does that look nice? Alright,
Yeah.
We're getting some gravy.
It's gravy. I get it. I get it. That's what we are doing again.
Alright, veggie chunks with baked bean.
Alright.
Get that.
Okay, that is it. Shabba patiently waiting. Good.
Watch it. Good.
Food. Raji absent today. I don't know if I'm going to check in. I look from this boat, I miss out right now. I want to put on enough food for him. Food. Get down the cucumber, you know. Get down the cucumber, yay! Get down the cucumber. That is it, you know. Thanks of all, give thanks to this food today. Well prepared. Rice, curry rice, chunks and baked beans. Lemonade as usual. It's so all you know. Bless up every time, guys. That is it. Every time. Brother for us. One love.
Book. Amen. Bingo.
Yeah.
So we are about to prepare to heat. You know,
always know that this is mine, you know, the smallest one, carry the most food all the way. So, because you don't know the night, no? But, one part, no find it could enough. Go for more enough.
I take a taste. Well, yeah, peeps, so what you going on? You take a taste out of the food now and taste how it tastes. You know things? You know, say it's great. So what I go on? And the dish, you know, say very chunky with baked bean. And we have look at something by the side. There's a cucumber. You can feel the coconut juice tonight. You mean feel it, you can taste it.
Alright. Oh, nice, active outside. Shabba style.
100%.
Is the food nice?
Wow, look at it.
Just good and fresh. Food nice. Rice fresh one. Rice chili. Brown stew. It's a brown stew. That's something your name, man. Veggie
chunks. With
Veggie
baked
chunk.
bean.
With baked bean. Like up the video. Subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Yeah, man. That is it. Rain come down, so we have to relocate now. Well, actually, it's a good thing. Say food done. Food done. Cook and thing already. Not even get to give dog them for the money. But we are give them for the money soon. Woo! Then I come back again. We have to move fast. Hold them, we are go over there so. Run out of town. I rain this come down for way.